Hey everybody, Brian here from the GuitarFactoryOC.com. Today we're going to break down Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. Alright, this is a really great song for beginning guitar players, especially if it's your very first riff you're ever learning. It's all on one string. And we're also going to introduce at the end a power chord, which is a very effective chord that you're going to use in a lot of songs and guitar playing, especially rock music. Okay, let's break it down. What we're going to do is on the A string, which is the second thickest string, we're going to go to the 7th fret of the A string and we're going to play that twice. Then we're going to go to the 10th fret of the A string with our pinky. And then we're going to go back to that 7 on the A string. So far you have. Now we're going to bring it down to the 5th fret of the A string, just one time. Then the 3rd fret, and then the 2nd fret. So altogether our signature riff is made up of 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. All together. Hey, if you guys are finding these videos helpful, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click like. Now there is a variation after they've repeated that signature riff over and over. The variation is going to start the exact same way that we began it. So 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3. But before we go to the 2, we're going to come back to the 5, one more 3, and then the 2. So our variation sounds like this. Okay, now the next section is where we're going to introduce some power chords, and this is going to turn around the riff to bring it back to the top and back to the signature riff. So the power chord, if you don't know, is a movable shape, which means our fingers will stay the same no matter where we move it to. So the power chord shape that you're going to want to get very familiar with is the low E, 3rd fret with our pointer, A string, 5th fret with our ring, pinky, 5th fret on the D. And that's the shape that moves around, that's a power chord. And you can also do that same power chord on the next set of strings down, the A, D, and G. Same exact shape. And you're gonna know a lot of rock songs that actually start and go through with this sound. You can make entire songs from power chords. But with the White Stripes, they're just gonna do 2 of them. They're gonna do the G power chord, which is that 3rd fret, 5 and 5 with the ring and pinky, and we're going to strum it 8 times. Then shift that shape up to the 5th fret, where you got 7, 7 with the ring and pinky, and that's another 8 times. All down strums. So we put all the riffs together, the signature one, the little variation, and then that turnaround. Here's how it just sounds all together. Hey everybody, I've created a full online guitar course for beginners, a complete roadmap that takes you through all the necessary fundamentals of everything you need to know, as well as your favorite songs. Click the link below and you can get access to our free Quick Start course.